If you're working on your IB Math IA and you're not quite sure if you're doing it right, well, you're not alone. My name is Julia, and I have over 15 years of teaching experience, and I have seen amazing students make simple, avoidable mistakes. That's why I created 7 Steps to a 7. It is a clear, step-by-step roadmap to show you exactly what the IB is looking for, so you can stop guessing and start writing with confidence. Inside the course, you'll get short, easy-to-follow lessons for each step. You'll also get worksheets, checklists, and examples to guide you along the way. Everything is designed to save you time and help you stay on track. From choosing your topic and research question to the mathematics, analysis, and reflection, I walk you through every step so you know exactly what to do and why. The videos are straight to the point so you can learn faster and get back to your own IA. You'll feel more prepared and confident from start to finish. Your IA doesn't have to be stressful. With the right roadmap, that can help you build your best work. Now let's go help you build your 7. I'll see you inside.